We covered some basic concepts essential for understanding these subtractions in our previous subtraction video. Please watch it first for better understanding. In this video, we continue with 3-digit subtraction. For example, let's take 745 minus 269. When the upper number is greater than the lower number, it's a match combination. When the lower number is greater, it's a mismatch combination. Starting with the match combination, we subtract 2 from 7, giving us 5. Then, moving to the next pair, 4 minus 6 is a mismatch combination. So we subtract 1 from 5, resulting in 4. The complement of 6 is 4, which we add to the upper number, giving us 8. Keeping in mind and observing the third pair, which is also a mismatch combination, we subtract 1 from 8, obtaining the second number, 7. It's important to always remember that when the next pair is a mismatch, we should reduce 1. Again, the complement of 9 is 1. Adding 1 to 5, we get 6 as the final third digit. So our final answer is 476. Let's move to another example, 837 minus 359. Continue as we did previous one, we subtract 3 from 8, gives us 5. Then moving to the next pair, 3 minus 5, which is a mismatch combination. So we subtract 1 from 5, we write it 4 as our first digit. The complement of 5 is 5, which we add to the upper number, giving us 8. And observing the third pair, which also mismatch combination, we subtract 1 from 8, obtaining the second number, 7. The complement of 9 is 1 add to 7, which gives 8 as the final third digit. So our final answer is 478. Let's consider 423 minus 157. By observing the next pair, we write the previous number. For instance, 4 minus 1 is 3. But the next pair, 2 and 5, indicates a mismatch. Therefore, we immediately write 2. Continuing, the complement of 5 is 5. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. We internally remember this 7. However, the following pair is also a mismatch. Hence, because of 3 minus 7, we directly write 6. Similarly, we add 3, the complement of 7, to the top number 3. Since there are no further pairs, we directly write 6. Thus, the final answer is 266. Let's take one more example of 954 minus 296. Starting from the left, 9 minus 2 equals 7. The next pair indicates a mismatch, so we write 6 directly. Adding 1, the complement of 9, to the top number, we get 6. However, since the next pair is a mismatch, 6 becomes 5. Similarly, the complement of 6, which is 4, is added to the top number 8. Therefore, the answer is 658. Using this method, we can solve any lengthy subtraction easily. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more.